Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and brightedge.com. Our question for today is, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. YouTube SEO is a process of optimizing your YouTube videos and channel to increase its rank via YouTube. SEO also optimizes your channel page, playlist, metadata, description, and videos. And you can optimize your video for YouTube's search engine. Users can come across your video through Google, Bing, and more. YouTube optimization focuses on the number of viewers that your video has reached and how well video is ranked in a specific category. So this is where I got the reference of this video, from Google search and brightedge.com. God bless, more power, and a million thanks to all my channel members. They are Katoto Kamutur Vlog, Ganya Official, Roots Joel, Anji TV, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.